Hey yo, what is up y'all? It's your boy G-ManHere and welcome back to the channel. During last week's episode, you guys loved the cooking episodes and why not I do another one? But I won't tell you till I get in the kitchen. But before I get into today's video, if you're wondering, this office has changed a little bit. See, I got my calendar right there. And I changed up this orange wall right here. See those? I painted them blue. Still got a lot more to do in here. Got a few more things I need to do. I'll set up, put a couch right there, so I don't have to sleep in that piece of junk air mattress. And projector will be right over here. All right, let's get into today's. Whoa. What am I wearing? I need a change, dude. I can't wear like this. Merch link in bio only. Let's select a shirt. Alright. What do you think I should wear? This CMP shirt? Don't worry about that one. The original, or my homemade shirts that my mom made, or the limited edition one. I think I'll go for the original one, because I haven't worn it in a while, since the summer road trip. Alright, you guys, got my merch on. I don't have these on the website, but I will have these coming up pretty soon, which these are different because the logo like that's gonna be like that. Like on screen, like you see my original videos. That's the picture that's gonna be on these merch link in bio. But if you want your merchandise, the link is in the description down below. But let's get into the kitchen. For today's video, and for this new recipe, this is called Mary Jane Watson's Omelette from Spider-Man 3. Now to make it, it's really easy depending on how good you're making omelets, and I know I am. But anyway, the only ingredients you'll need are eggs, shredded mozzarella, 1 red and 1 yellow or orange bell pepper, whatever you prefer, and parsley leaves. But first started off, I gotta grill these peppers, but then I gotta rinse these off. Now I got these peppers all rinsed off. Now it's time to slice them. And make sure you get off the seeds, because Mary Jane Watson loves peppers, and I do too. And make sure you get them smaller size, like James Franco cut out. Before I grill these peppers into the pan, you gotta chop off the fresh parsley leaves. This looks a lot, but I'm gonna take off some few. Then you're gonna need about this much right here. So I'm just gonna chop this off. Now James Franco, if you remember this recipe, please let me know in the comments if you're watching this video, because I believe it was parsley leaves when you added it on. Now that I got this fresh parsley leaves, now it is time to grill this. Heat this up. Make sure you heat it up for a couple minutes. See you in a minute. Alrighty, now that's hot enough. Yeah, it's hot enough. Now it's time to add your peppers. And make sure you use some olive oil. I'm gonna put some little bit on here. There we go. And make sure you don't use butter spray, because it has a lot of fat to it. Swirl this around. then finally add your peppers. Make sure you cook these thick bad boys when they're soft, not crunchy. And then after this, I'll get on to making the eggs. Now I got these peppers cooked up really good. I'll set this in the microwave to keep them warm for later. Now it's time to make your egg omelet. Now all you need is eggs. I only bought the 89cents 6 eggs, so I don't want to waste all of them, so it doesn't go to waste. But now, add these bad boys in. Now that you've got all your eggs cracked, now it's time to whisk them. And make sure you get all the broken cracks of the eggs, so you don't want to get a messed up recipe. Now that you got your eggs all whisked up, now it's time to heat up your pan and to use some of this butter flavor spray. Make sure you put some butter on it so this egg omelet won't stick and burn. Now that's heated up, let's just swirl this around. Make sure I don't mess up. Time to add the egg. It's time to add your fresh parsley leaves. And your peppers. And then finally, some mozzarella. And also some seasoned with salt and freshly ground pepper. And then finally, put this over. Now I'm not going to flip this because James Franco messed up MJ's omelet. So I'm going to put this in a pan, put a thumbnail, then taste test. Be back in a sec. Let's see if this is good enough for Mary Jane to date Harry Osborn. Not gonna lie, this is really, really good. Now, I'll eat this baby for dinner. I'll clean up and see you for the outro. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like it, make sure you smash that like button, and I will do some more of those if you want me to. And also, I might take a break from these cooking episodes and do something different like how I started. And if you want your merchandise, link is in the description. And make sure you subscribe on my social medias. Subscribe to my main channel and my second channel, G-ManHere. And also follow me on my social medias. But make sure to keep an eye out for more of. And I'll see you next time on CMP.